Okay, my friends, it is calendar time. Yesterday was the first day of school. Yesterday was number 8. Does anyone know what number comes after 8? Michaela, what number is going to be after 8? 9. So we're going to type in a 9. Great answer, Michaela. So let's put that down over here.
Yes, Mr. Shane.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Shane.
Hold on. Asen was next. Asen, what's up, buddy? Asen, did you have a question?
He's not had the volume again.
Asen, did you have something to ask? Okay. All right. So today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. All right. So let me ask you guys a question. If today is 9, what was yesterday? What number is before 9? Caden?
September
8, you're right. So if yesterday was 8, today is 9, what's tomorrow going to be? Ansley, if yesterday was 8, today is 9, then what's tomorrow? 10. We're going to put in a 10. Did I not do that right? Oh, right. Let me try that again. Oh, I need to make my window bigger. All right. There it goes. Technology, not my friend. All right. We will do 10 frames first. All right. So yesterday was the first day of school. So we're going to move another counter over. All right. Can someone count all the counters over here? Asen, can you count for us? Don't forget to unmute your button. Go ahead.
1, 2.
So how many days have we been in school?
2.
Good job. Let's go to our tally marks. We're going to put another tally mark down. And since I said the word tally mark, you knew that was coming, buddy. Can you count the sticks?
Yes.
Go ahead.
1 and 2.
2. We've been in school for 2 days. And, oh, we're going to move this over here. Sophia, what number is the circle on today? What number is the circle on? All right, I'll give my friend Sophia's thinking about it. Michaela, what number is the circle on today? Okay, Sawyer, what number is the circle on today? Do you know what number this is? Say it with confidence. Say 2. All right. Good job.